Yo, what is up guys? For another video na naman tayo. For another rate na naman tayo ng panibagong game. So, meron ako nakitang game dito. Ideal Guy. Hindi ko siya, nagustuhan ko siya by yung ads kasi. Yung parang motivation tapping game siya, ganon. So, mostly, puro tapping game na yung nasasuggest natin dito. Kasi yung mga dinadownload ko guys, puro nakikita ko lang sa ads. Sa YouTube, minsan sa mga normal apps na may ads, ganun. Doon ko lang siya nakikita. And dinadownload ko lang siya diretso. Minsan pag nagustuhan ko yung ads. Tapos, minsan iba dun sa ads. Minsan, same naman sa ads. Yung iba nakaka-boring sa laro. Yung, parang pag nakita mo yung ads, parang nakaka-attract na rin. Ganun. So, yun. Tingnan natin kung magugustuhan natin siya. Gusto kong kumain. So yun guys, parang tapping game nga siya. Daily. We're planning to have a party. Can you help organize this? So, magkano yung pera natin? Hyper graphic. Benefits. I have to choose the best place for the party. Yung pinakamura tayo lang. Got bored at the party, you and your friends decide to joke around with someone and order the pizza. The scrawny got turned up and the maid came in. Even then, this is a party as well. Next morning, you're woken and first, then sister calls from the rest of the work and got picked up by cops. Cops thinks they're underage Alam mo maganda dito? For your father and then your Bible. And I hope that likes the news and doesn't have to know about the rest. That you said you'd be back next week. Someone blabbed the news that the head of the bank's son had broken the laws, spread across all channels. Your father caught the first flight home. I granted your very wish, and this is how you will repay me. Get out of my house. You'll never see me again. It's not my fault. You managed to hide a couple pieces under your pants, but that won't help much. Never mind, I can live like all those ones. Anything more to do with my father? Two-way tayo. So, 40, 30. Wait, two-way. Speed, Phoenix Driving School. Kasi tayo sa driving school. Think natin mo yung okay, kailangan natin matutong magtipid. Huwag muna tayo sa girls. Huwag muna tayo. Bahay. 140 a month. Minus 4. Gano'n na muna tayo. Hey guys, maganda siyang game. Dito parang maano kayo magtipid. Matututo kayo magtipid dito rin. Ma-realize ito. Pag inaning sa totoong buhay ito, marirealize nyo na ano, na tawag dito, marirealize nyo kung gano'ng kahirap yung mag-aaral ka, tapos ito, mga kagaguhan ng gagawin mo. Marirealize yung mga kagaguhan. Nangyayari siya pag nagtado kayo sa buwan. Ito yung nangyayari sa inyo. So guys, maganda siyang game. Kung gusto nyo yung mga makaka-motivating na game, yung mga matututo kayo mag-intay, ganun. Anyways, maganda to. Ayan, matututo kayo magtipid, ganun. Magandang game siya. So, guys, mamaya na ulit tayo. Maglalaro muna ako. Kaya enjoy na ako, nakakalimutan ko naka-video. So guys, see you on the next video. Maglalaro muna ako nito.